Assalamu alaikum. A very good afternoon to all of you. I hope all of you are doing great and fantastic. So today I am telling you how to improve your English speaking. If you want to be a fluent speaker in English, then you have to do two things. First thing is you have to practice. You must practice every day. So if you don't practice English every day, then you don't be a fluent speaker. So first thing is you have to practice. You must practice every day. Mind it, if you don't practice every day, then you lose your fluency. So if you want to be a speaker like me, like foreigner, like an Englishman, then you must practice every day. And second thing is you have to memorize more vocabulary. And if you question me then how I memorize my vocabulary, then I say one thing, that just practice, practice, practice. And if you practice every day, after a few days or after 1 month or 2 months, you realize that your vocabulary, your fluency, your pronunciation must improve. So if you want to be a fluent speaker, then you have to practice, you have to memorize more vocabulary, which improve your word stock. And if I give you extra tips, then I give you that you should practice with your friends. And if you feel shy, it's very common. If you feel shy to practice with your friend, then don't practice with them, just practice with yourself. So how? Just open your mobile camera and try to say something in English. Whenever you think, just think is in English. And if you follow these few days, 15 days, 12 days, or after 1 month, you just see your improvements, right? So if you want to be a good speaker in English, if you want to be a fluent speaker in English, then you have to do practice. You have to do practice every day. You have to memorize vocabulary. You have to practice with yourself. If you feel shy with others, with your friends, so don't practice with them, just practice with yourself. So that's all from today's video. And if you like this video, please like, comment and share. Assalamu alaikum.